Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for affordable and reliable web hosting that locks in your price forever, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing the latest Interserver coupon codes and discounts for 2025 so you can grab hosting at a massive discount. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that applies Interserver's biggest available deal automatically, so you get the best price without wasting time searching for codes. For anyone new to Interserver, it's one of the most budget-friendly and developer-friendly hosting companies out there. Here's why Interserver hosting is a great choice in 2025. Price lock guarantee. The price you sign up with never goes up, unlike most hosts that raise rates after the first year. Unlimited storage transfer and email accounts on their standard shared hosting plan. Free site migration with no downtime. Perfect if you're moving from another host. High-performance servers with SSD storage for faster website speeds. 24/7 customer support, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Now, let's talk about saving money. Here are the best Interserver coupon codes and deals available right now. Interserver 2025. Get hosting for just $2.50 per month on your first invoice. Save 10 is 10% off VPS and dedicated hosting plans. Free migration plus $1 first month when you transfer your site to Interserver. Flashes extra limited time discount during seasonal sales like Black Friday or New Year. And if you don't want to manually test codes, just click my special link in the description. It's always updated with Interserver's biggest discount and applies it automatically at checkout. Pro tip, Interserver's standard web hosting plan is one of the best deals in the industry. You get unlimited everything, plus the price lock guarantee, so you'll never deal with surprise price hikes in year 2 like most other hosting companies. So that's it, the best Interserver coupon codes, discounts, and deals for 2025. If you're ready to get fast, affordable, and reliable hosting with a locked-in price for life, click the link in my description, grab your coupon, and start hosting with Interserver today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more web hosting reviews and deals, and comment below telling me what kind of website you're building. I'd love to hear about your project. Remember, good hosting doesn't have to be expensive. With Interserver and these coupon codes, you can launch your website and save big in 2025.